like, oh shit.
He records us with his.
Okay,
and then
yeah,
I record
it's
you
working.
with mine, and then you record him with. And
Oh my god.
Oh, it's
Drop
going
it.
right now?
I'm gonna drop. Yeah, okay, go.
Don't drop them. Okay.
Try.
This is our poem for reading class. It's about dinosaurs and red elephants. And
red elephants
I already said that.
attacking dinosaurs in native Greenland.
Yeah. And this is my brother from 2 mothers ago. Okay, anyways. This poem, it reads, red elephants attack dinosaurs in native Greenland. See?
Yes.
Yeah, get that up in there. And we're about to reenact the scenario with Richie, you know.
Okay, that's it.
And we're about to reenact it. Let's go. I just beat him up because he's a dinosaur.
Come on, get up.
Let's go. You ready?
Random.
Having a seizure. Okay, well that's enough beating up. Did it actually hurt?
No.
Okay. I can see you getting hurt from that. Anyway.
Sorry, not Zach.
That was our reenactment of the red elephant beating up the dinosaur. And he is my co-actor. I am the co-actor also.
And cameraman will have the cameras that we can't really do.
Yeah,
I
we
can't
could-
turn
wait.
around. I'm gonna drop it. Can you hit stop?
Can't, wait,
Hit-
no, you
hit
can't.
the
You
button.
can't flip it.